Have any of you 6-speed manual guys ever wondered whether the skip shift eliminator is a must-have or whether you should get it or not? If so, this video is for you. Alright guys, so for the longest time, ever since I was considering getting a Challenger with the 6-speed, I always thought that I should get the skip shift eliminator. So I did the research, found out it wasn't very expensive. I figured, what the heck, I'll get it. So once I started driving my 6-speed manual in my Challenger, I figured out after a while that if I hit the sport mode button, I would no longer be forced to shift from 1 to 4 under certain circumstances. Those conditions would be upshifting out of first between the speeds of 18 and 22 miles an hour and giving it less than 25% throttle. So basically in that situation, as you guys know, you're forced to shift into fourth. It's done that way for fuel efficiency. But I realized after a while of driving that if I was driving in sport mode, that wouldn't occur any longer. So to me, do I need the skip shift eliminator? Absolutely not. For me, as soon as I turn the car on, I put it in sports mode. And it isn't because of the skip shift, it's because of the throttle response you get while you're driving in sports mode. I don't particularly like the lack of throttle response that you have if you're not in sports mode. So I always drive in sport mode because of the throttle response that you get. It's easier to start. For me, I can shift gears smoother, and I just like the drive feel so much better when sports mode is on. So for me, that's a given. And the added bonus is not needing the skip shift eliminator. So for my Challenger, when I hit the sports mode button, it just increases my throttle response. So for me, it's perfect. So I can always eliminate the skip shift without losing my traction. Now, if I do want that sports traction, I do have to hit or turn off the stability or the traction control. So honestly, I don't even know if I have the full traction off. I may or may not. But for me to have both sports mode and sports traction, I have to hit sports mode as well as turning the traction control off. So if any of you manual drivers are out there wondering whether you need the skip shift eliminator, I would say just drive in sports mode for a while and see if you like that, because that will eliminate the skip shift. Now the only thing is if you're putzing around the city and not wanting to drive too spirited and you have, say, a scat pack that does both eliminate the traction as well as put it in sports mode, maybe that's not a great solution for you. But for the multi-step process that I have to go through to put it in both sports and remove the traction, then it's a great solution for me. So just want to put a video out here for you guys, for your manual 6 guys, just to let you know that the skip shift eliminator kit may not be required, and it may just be as simple as hitting a button. So hope you guys liked the video, got value out of it. Like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I will talk to you guys next time. Take care.